Hey everybody, my name is Hunter Cockrell, owner of Atlanta Christmas Light Installers here in Atlanta, Georgia. I guess it was August of last year, I got Ryan at 180 Sites to build me a site for my business, my Christmas light business. And Ryan and his team, they exceeded my expectations, and it's been such a huge blessing for my business. My business has, because of his website, it's grown. We did 51 houses our first year, and we had leads coming in left and right from just the website that Ryan and 180 Sites created for us. I absolutely recommend them. The customer service is top notch. Any problem, any situation that I've had, I'll email, and quickly they get back with me, and the issue is resolved. So I appreciate 180 Sites for all they do. God bless.